In this video I will explaining how hiding all the unused columns and rows. So let's see how to do this. On your sheet, find the last used column. Click the column label to the right of this column to select the entire column. Hold down the Shift plus Control and press right. Allow key to select all columns. Next, right-click on the selected columns and choose Hide from the context menu. This will hide all the selected columns. Next, locate the last used row. Then, click the row number to select entire row. Hold down the Control plus Shift and press down. Allow key to select all rows below your data. Right-click the selection and choose Hide from the context menu. You can see your data is surrounded by a gray area, preventing you from scrolling beyond it. In the Worksheets Activate event, right-click the Sheets tab at the bottom left of the window and select View Code from the context menu. In the Code windows, choose Worksheet from the Object menu, then select Activate from the Procedure menu to insert the Worksheet Activate event procedure. Write the code as shown on the screen. Run the macro. Then close the VB editor. While you won't see a visible indication like the gray mote in the first method, you can change scroll area by modify cell address. I hope friends you find this video helpful information. Thank you for watching this video.